Yo guys, what is up? Today I'm showing you guys how to craft a bed so you can set your spawn and stop spawning in random places. So you're gonna need 2 crafting stations and a couple different materials. First, the crafting stations. So you're gonna need a sawmill and you're gonna need a loom. So make sure you have those on standby. Next, for materials, pretty simple. We're just gonna need some cobweb and some wood. Make sure you have at least like 40 cobweb. So here we go. Basically, you're gonna start with some silk. Make 5 of these. And now you're using the wood, you're just gonna find the bed. There it is. Boom. Craft the bed. Now this, if it is in a suitable housing location, it can be used to set your spawn or sleep. That is the bed. That's what it's for. That's how you make it. Thanks for watching.